Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the official YouTube channel of Officer Study 24/7. How are you all? So, first of all, let me know is audio video both are okay. Are we good to go? And as you know, every day we are discussing one particular unit of your IEIFS in the evening 7 p.m. So, today we are going to discuss the unit number 30 because we have started module C. So, this Achiever series is started in December and now it's going to be end soon, and after that we will bring something new for all of you. But yes, this is the series that is right now having D module discussion in the classes. So once we have completed module D, the whole chapter we have discussed one time on YouTube, okay, that in the form of your basic questions and advanced question both. So but as I keep saying to all of you, this is not sufficient. To clear the paper we have to be uh, more engaged in the conceptual study and more depth study is required in the paper. So that's why you have to make sure that these sessions will help you to know what kind of topic is it and how to attempt the question, how to approach the question. But for the detailed analysis of the subject, you have to go through with the conceptual classes, okay? And those who are first time joining this session, I would love to inform you all these sessions are going on Monday to Saturday, in the evening at 7 p.m. for IEIFS, in the morning for PPB at 6 a.m. These sessions are going on. Apart from that, the other other subject sessions are also going on that you can find only on Offices at the 24/7 channel. So this is our class number 2 of module D. You can see money market is our today's unit. That's a unit number, actually not 29, 30. Okay, it is the 30th unit. Okay, 29 we have done yesterday. That was the financial market. Okay, so it's the 30th unit. So let's talk about first the topic and then we will move forward to the questions. Now, before talking about the topics, one thing I want to add here, if you haven't seen the earlier sessions, like from module A, B, C, you have not seen that. And if you like to check these sessions out, then you can go visit the offices at 24/7. Go to the playlist. In playlist, all the sessions recordings are available. You can go and directly watch the recording of the session there. Okay. So let's start about the money market. What actually the money market is. So money market is one of the financial market, as I have told you in the unit number 29 discussion, that in financial market unit we are only going to have the discussion or the introduction of all the financial market, right? But then we have to study these topics in individually also, because individual units are talking about the single market here. So unit number 30 talk about the money market. First of all, money market regulated by RBI. Who regulates this market? It is regulated by RBI. It's your short-term market. Why it is known as a short-term market? Because it's a market of less than 1 year. It is the market of less than 1 year. Okay. Now next, if we talk about market of less than 1 year, we are saying here, it means it is for 364 days. Okay, the duration. And it use short-term financial assets. It use what? It use short-term financial assets. And it use short-term financial assets to do what? To simply short-term financial assets to perform what? To perform your close substitute of money targets. It means short-term financial assets it is for less than 1 year, their duration, their maturity period will be less than 1 year, but they are what? They are the close substitute of money. What does this mean? Close substitute of money. This means that it can be easily converted into cash. You can easily convert them into the cash. That is known as close substitute of money. Okay, apart from that, if I talk about money market covered the certain instrument that have call money, notice money, term money, commercial paper, certificate of deposit, treasury bills, bankers acceptance, hana, your repo auctions. It covers your cash management bill, etc. All these are the instruments of your money market. So money market simply a short-term market which is regulated by RBI, and for short term you can raise your capital requirement from this market. Okay, that's your money market. Next, So we have first question that is talking about here, what is the maximum tenure for long-term repo operation, LTRO. So LTRO was introduced by RBI at the time of COVID-19 pandemic. So in the COVID, RBI have seen that there are so many sectors which actually need capital. Hana, that there are so many sectors which actually need capital. They are the productive sectors, but still they do not have capital properly. So RBI introduced the LTRO, which will be providing the repo auctions to the banks. So bank can participate in the auction, bank can bid there and take loan from them, loan from the auction, and that auction loan will be invested in the, or will be given as a loan in the productive sector. That's why RBI introduced the LTRO. And the duration of this was minimum 1 year and maximum 3 years. So your right answer is B. Okay. LTRO maximum period we have, or maximum tenure we have, is 3 years. Minimum is 1 and maximum is 3. So right answer will be B. Okay. Next. What is the minimum net worth required for a corporate to issue the certificate of deposit? If a corporate wants to issue a certificate of deposit, how much capital they have to have? How much net worth, minimum net worth they have to have? A, B, C or D. 1 crore, 4 crore, 5 crore, there is no minimum net worth requirement. So when it comes to the certificate of deposit, first of all, it is issued by banks or financial institution for the minimum period of 7 days and the maximum period of 364 days. The amount of certificate of deposit can be issued is 5 lakh, and after that, if you more than that you want to issue, then therefore multiple of 5 lakhs. It should be multiple of what? It should be multiple of 5 lakhs. Okay. Apart from that, if we talk about the certificate of deposits are secured money market instrument, they are negotiable as well. Why they are negotiable? Because they can be transferred from one person to another. Why they are secured? Because it is issued by banks and financial institution. So how much minimum net worth is required? No such condition is there. Hana, no such condition is there. There is no minimum net worth requirement. So right answer will be D. Also focus on the explanation that I have given here. These points are also important. So right option will be here, D. Okay. Next question. Who is the issuing authority of treasury bills? So treasury bills are the government securities. They are what? They are government securities, and they have 3 types. What are these 3 types of treasury bill? One is 91 days treasury bill. Second is 182 days treasury bill. Third is 364 days treasury bill. These are the 3 types of treasury bills we have. 91, 182, 364. And it is issued by whom? It is issued by the central government. So the right answer will be your B. It is central government. Okay. And do remember, the treasury bills is used by RBI in the monetary policy transaction also. Okay. Or in the money market as well, to maintain the liquidity of the market. So the right answer will be B. Next question. The maximum period for notice money. The maximum period for what? For the notice money. So call money, notice money and term money, these 3 are the money market instrument. So notice money have 2 to 14 days duration. The maximum period will be then 14 days. Minimum is 2, maximum is 14. Okay, so your right answer will be C. In the notice money, it is an interbank transaction that they perform. What is interbank transaction? Only banks are giving loan to each other. That's the interbank transaction. For how much duration? For 2 to 14 days. Okay, so right answer is your C. Maximum is 14 days. Minimum is 2. Next question is talking about RBI would conduct the term repo of 1 year and 3 year tenures of appropriate sizes for up to a total amount of dash. How much crores that you have to answer? 1 crore, 2 crore, 1.5 crore. Then the first 2 LTROs were conducted on February 17 and 24, 2020. for dash crores each of for the tenure of 3 years and 1 years respectively. So LTRO was introduced at the time of pandemic just to make sure that the productive sectors will get proper liquidity. Okay, so what do you think? So the total amount, it says that it should be used, or it should be issued or conducted the term repo operation for 1 year and 2 year. It is 1 lakh crores. It means it cannot be B, it cannot be C. It can be either A or D. Okay. But when you talk about the first 2 LTROs was issued, it was of what amount? It was of 25,000. That's why your right answer is A. The second one was increased to 50,000, but the first one was the 25,000. So right answer is A. Okay. Now, the period of lending may be for a period of dash, which is known as call money, and between dash, which is known as notice money, and the term money refers to the borrowing lending of funds for a period of exceeding dash duration. So now the call money, notice money, term money you have to answer. In the call money, notice money and term money, the only thing difference is their maturity or their duration, because these all the 3 instruments are actually for your interbank transaction. They are for what purpose? They are for interbank transaction when banks are giving loan to each other for the different duration. In the call money, notice money, term money, the rate of interest that will be charged from each other by the commercial banks, whether it is in India or global banks, they used to charge MIBOR. They're still charging MIBOR. Mumbai Interbank offered it. In the international, when the global banks are giving loan to each other, they used to charge LIBOR, London Interbank offer rate, but it have been replaced by alternate reference rate. So now they are taking alternate reference rate. So they have only one difference between them, and that difference is what? The duration. So in the call money, it is for 1 day, it means 24 hours, or you can call it 1 day. Okay. Second, for notice money, I have just told you it is 2 to 14 days, and for your term money, it is exceeding 14 days. Or up to when? Up to 1 year. So 15 to 1 year you can call it, or you can call it 14 days to 1 year. So first is saying 5 days, no. Second is saying 7 days, no. Third is saying 1 day, this is correct. 2 to 14 days, correct. For 14 to up to 1 year, this is also correct. Right answer is C. Okay, so 1 day, you can call it overnight as well for call money. 2 to 14 days, it is notice money. 15 to 364 days, it is your term money, or you can call it exceeding 14 days and up to 1 year. Okay, so right answer will be your C. Right answer is C. Next, which of the following are the functions of money market? What are the functions of money market? So money market we have discussed, it's the market for short-term financial assets which are close substitute of money. And here you have to answer what are the functions of money market. Okay. First is saying it provides an equilibrating mechanism for demand and supply of short-term funds. Second is saying it enables borrower and lenders of short-term funds to fulfill their borrowing and investment requirement at an efficient market clearing price. Third is saying it provides an avenue for central bank intervention in influencing both quantum and cost of liquidity in the financial system, thereby transmitting monetary policy impulses to the real economy. And fourth is saying all of the above. Now you have to answer which of the following is correct. And the right answer is actually all of the above. All are the functions of money market. It do actually fulfill the demand and supply of the short-term funds. It actually enable the borrowers and lenders of short-term fund to fulfill their requirements. And it actually provides avenue for the central bank intervention which influence both quantum and cost of liquidity. So right answer will be all are the functions of money market, D. Okay. Next, the settlement of money market deals is by electronic fund transfer using the dash system operated by RBI. The prepayment of borrowed fund also take place through the same system on the due date of the repayment. So the settlement of money market deals is done by the electronic fund transfer. Okay, and that use which of the following system, that you have to answer. Which of the following system will be used? NEFT, RTGS, IMPS, or none of the above. Achha, one thing is there, you can eliminate one option here. It is saying operated by RBI. If it is operated by RBI, it cannot be IMPS, because IMPS is operated by whom? It is operated by your NPCI. Okay. And the second thing is, it also cannot be NEFT, because NEFT do not perform the gross settlement. And in case of money market deals, you have to perform the gross settlements. The right answer is RTGS system. So, electronic fund transfer using the RTGS system, it settles the money market deals. So, option number B will be correct. Okay. All of three are 24/7 services now. Okay. Next question. Commercial papers can be issued by maturities between a minimum of dash days and a maximum up to dash from the date of issue. So, apart from that, do remember, commercial papers are issued by corporates. Okay, the minimum is 5 lakh. Thereafter, multiple of 5 lakh is allowed. Multiple of 5 lakh is allowed. So, minimum 5 lakh, after that multiple of 5 lakh. Then apart from that, it is very important to know that commercial papers are unsecured, non-negotiable money market instrument. Why non-negotiable? Because they are unsecured. So they are unsecured money market negotiable instrument, non-negotiable instrument, because the corporates are issuing them. And if the corporates are issuing, there is a chances of risk, there is a chances of fraud. That's why they are unsecured. And the minimum is 7 days, maximum is up to 1 year. So the right answer for you will be 7 and 1 year. B. Okay, right option will be B. So do remember all these points about the commercial paper. In commercial paper and certificate of deposit, everything is same, except commercial paper are unsecured, certificate of deposit is secured. Commercial paper are non-negotiable, certificate of deposit is negotiable. Otherwise, apart from that, commercial paper are issued by corporate and certificate of deposit are issued by banks and financial institutions. So these three differences are there. Right answer will be B. Okay. Next, BRDS stands for, what is the full form of BRDS? A, B, C and D. First is saying bill rediscounting scheme. Okay, second is saying bank rediscounting scheme. Okay, third is saying bill repurchase scheme. Fourth is saying none of the above. A, B, C or D. And the right answer for this will be, it's a bill rediscounting scheme, BRDS, bill rediscount scheme. Okay, right answer will be A. So these are the questions that we have discussed from your unit number 30 of your module D. Okay, that's a money market. So first of all, let me know how many answers you have given correct here. And if you have any doubt, you can always ask in the comment section. Drop a message in the comment section. I will check and answer there. Apart from that, you can see if you know someone who is looking for a bilingual batches for JAIIB preparation, you can let them know that the Shapat batch is there. It started from 10th of January. Apart from that, if you guys are looking for a dedicated batch in which detailed conceptual study, your class PDFs, your ebooks, your topic-wise test, full length test will be available. So the resolution batch is there, in which AFM and PPB started. IE, IFS is the next subject that I am going to start. Okay. So how to enroll? First, you have to download the Adda 24/7 application. Go to the home page of the application and click on the JAIIB CIB section here. Okay. Then you have to click the JAIIB May 2024. You will find all the batches here, test series here, the video courses, the ebooks, the hard copies also. All these are available. How to enroll? Click on the batch. Do check the offering. Scroll down if you want to check the study plan. A study plan is available for both the subjects. Okay. Then click on the buy now option. Enter a code here. If you want more than 75% discount, use the code Y496. Click on apply. Once you apply, you will find 77% discount here. 1% additional discount will be available if you use the coins available on your application. So 78% discount, 6 months validity, coupon code is Y496. Everything will be covered here in this batch. Okay. So this is how you can enroll. This is how you can enroll in any other batch. If you want an individual subject batch, that is also available at the same place. Okay, the process is same. And apart from that, if you want to enroll in, or if you want to join regular YT sessions of your JAIIB May 2024 preparation, so first you have to subscribe the channel Officers Adda 24/7, press the bell icon so that all the upcoming sessions notification will be given to you from the channel. And if you haven't seen the earlier session, do go to the playlist, check there, and you will find all the sessions recording available there. And also share the session with the bankers whom you know that they are preparing for the JAIIB May 2024 paper, so that more and more people will be joining us and will be clearing this paper. Okay, so that's all for today. Let's end the session here. We'll be meeting tomorrow. Acha, one more important information with all of you. If you remember, we have just conducted your JAIIB PPB readiness test, in which we have talked about what paper pattern IRBF is giving, same paper pattern we had. And I am coming up with the analysis of that particular mock test from 8 to 10 p.m. today, and tomorrow as well from 1 to 3 p.m. So today we will be having a part 1. Tomorrow we will be having a part 2. So do not forget to check that session also, 8 to 10 p.m. today, and on 24th of January you will find it for the your 1 to 3 p.m. Okay, so that's all the information I wanted to give you all. Thank you all for joining the session. Take care everyone, and be connected to the channel. Take care.